DrivenDaily, the channel where we dive deep into the world of military-grade machinery, cutting-edge defense technology, and the evolution of warfare vehicles from around the globe. Today, we turn our focus towards one of the most talked-about drones in recent years, the 2025 Shahed-129. This unmanned aerial vehicle, developed by Iran, has not only proven its capability in various combat zones but also demonstrated how cost-effective and versatile drones can become key assets in modern asymmetric warfare. The Shahed-129 has gradually evolved in terms of design, payload, navigation systems, and flight endurance. With the 2025 model now in use, it's time to analyze what has changed, what it now brings to the battlefield, and how it holds up in comparison with its global counterparts. The Shahed-129 was originally introduced by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps Aerospace Force as a medium-altitude long-endurance MALE drone. Over time, it has been refined to increase its endurance, payload capacity, and real-time strike capability. The 2025 model continues this trend and now boasts significantly improved features. Starting with its design, the Shahed-129 maintains its recognizable long fuselage with high-mounted straight wings. Its relatively large size compared to earlier Iranian drones allows it to carry more fuel and a larger weapons payload. The fuselage is built with lightweight composite materials designed to maintain structural strength while reducing radar cross-section to some extent. In the 2025 version, minor aerodynamic tweaks have improved lift-to-drag ratio, allowing better energy efficiency during long-range reconnaissance missions. In terms of propulsion, the Shahed-129 is powered by a single Austrian Rotax 914 engine, which delivers reliable performance with a turbocharged capability. Despite being commercially available, this engine has been central to the drone's operations. Iran has continued to make modifications to reduce dependence on imports, and by 2025, the powerplant used in the Shahed-129 is largely domestically assembled. The engine enables the drone to cruise at a speed of approximately 150 to 170 km per hour, with a top speed of around 200 km per hour. While these speeds are modest by manned aircraft standards, they are sufficient for the Shahed-129's mission profile, which prioritizes loitering and target observation over rapid maneuvers. One of the most defining characteristics of the 2025 Shahed-129 is its endurance. The latest model is capable of staying aloft for over 30 hours without refueling, a significant increase from previous versions. This endurance is essential for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) roles where extended loiter times over target areas are necessary. The drone is equipped with satellite navigation and is controlled through a secure ground control station. Though early versions suffered from limited data link range and were vulnerable to jamming, the 2025 update incorporates more robust communication systems. These include encrypted radio frequencies and improved anti-jamming algorithms, making the drone more resistant to electronic warfare tactics. The Shahed-129 is equipped with an EO/IR sensor turret mounted under the nose, which provides real-time day and night imaging, target tracking, and laser designation capabilities. In 2025, the optics have been upgraded, delivering better resolution and improved stabilization even in high winds or adverse weather. This makes it easier for operators to conduct target acquisition and damage assessment without deploying additional assets. The drone's software also features advanced auto-target recognition systems that assist operators in identifying enemy hardware and troop movements. Perhaps the most critical aspect of the Shahed-129 is its offensive capability. The 2025 model can carry up to 4 Sadid 345 precision-guided munitions under its wings. These small but deadly bombs are guided by infrared and laser systems and have a high degree of accuracy. The compact size of the Sadid series allows for multiple units to be carried without affecting the drone's aerodynamic profile. In real combat scenarios, these weapons have been used to strike enemy convoys, command posts, and radar installations. Though the drone cannot carry heavier weapons like cruise missiles, it is highly effective in soft target engagement and can operate in coordination with other drones or manned aircraft to deliver multi-platform strikes. The drone has also become a core component of Iran's growing drone swarm doctrine. The 2025 Shahed-129 can be operated in tandem with other UAVs like the Shahed-191 and MOHAJER-6, creating a networked battlefield presence that confuses and overwhelms enemy air defense systems. By rotating multiple drones in and out of combat zones and using them to relay targeting data among themselves, Iranian forces can execute persistent surveillance and rapid response strikes in contested zones. Despite its strengths, the 2025 Shahed-129 does have its limitations. Its relatively slow speed and non-stealthy design make it vulnerable to modern air defense systems if detected. However, Iran has sought to mitigate this by improving tactics, including low-altitude flight paths and nighttime operations. The drone also lacks advanced defensive countermeasures like flares or radar jamming pods, which are increasingly common in American and Chinese equivalents. Nevertheless, for its intended use in Middle Eastern conflicts, where air superiority is often uncontested by high-end adversaries, the drone continues to perform effectively. The Shahed-129 also plays a key role in psychological warfare. Its presence in the skies over areas like Syria, Iraq, and Yemen is often used to remind opposing forces that they are being watched. The constant threat of precision strikes keeps enemy units dispersed and reduces their operational cohesion. Moreover, the drone's footage is frequently used in propaganda videos, showcasing Iran's domestic military capabilities and projecting strength to both allies and adversaries. The cost efficiency of the 2025 Shahed-129 is another vital point. Compared to manned aircraft or Western-made drones like the MQ-9 Reaper, the Shahed-129 is relatively inexpensive to produce and operate. This allows Iran to deploy them in greater numbers, even if some units are lost to air defenses. In an age where drone warfare is becoming increasingly decisive in both conventional and hybrid conflicts, quantity often carries as much weight as quality. By 2025, the Shahed-129 has also found export interest among Iranian allies and proxy forces. While most of these transfers are unofficial or part of covert operations, the presence of similar drones in the hands of non-state actors suggests that Iran is using this platform to strengthen influence in the region. Reports of Shahed-like drones appearing in North African and Central Asian skies highlight its expanding geopolitical footprint. From a strategic point of view, the 2025 Shahed-129 symbolizes how low-cost, high-endurance drones are shifting the nature of aerial combat. These platforms can now do what once required entire squadrons of manned jets, and they do so with less risk and more persistence. The drone's ability to provide persistent surveillance, deliver precision strikes, and operate in electronic warfare conditions makes it an asset that countries like Iran can use to level the playing field against technologically superior adversaries. While the future of drone warfare is moving towards stealthier, faster, and AI-enabled systems, the 2025 Shahed-129 proves that a robust and simple design, when combined with effective tactics and regional familiarity, can remain highly relevant. As other nations rush to develop counter-UAV measures, Iran continues to iterate on this design, proving that innovation doesn't always have to be expensive or high-tech to be effective. Whether used in defensive operations, preemptive strikes, or battlefield coordination, the 2025 Shahed-129 is likely to remain a central piece in Iran's aerial strategy for years to come. Thank you for watching this in-depth breakdown on the 2025 Shahed-129. We hope you enjoyed learning more about one of the most iconic drones in Iran's arsenal and its role in the evolving landscape of military technology. If you found this video informative and want more updates on global military vehicles, future drones, and high-tech weaponry, make sure to subscribe to DrivenDaily for weekly deep dives and analysis.